Hello everyone, welcome to Summon Tools. Do you know what this one called? It's called a starter motor. Basically for every cars. Back in the old day, on new day this day, they're still using the starter motor. They all about look the same. They never changed for nearly 100 years. It still never changed. It's look the same. And we try to tear this out and have a look, see what's wrong with it. This one is nothing wrong. It's out the N13. Remember the N13 engine in the Pulsar? We get this one reconditioning in 2023, 11 of 23. So it still work, but we don't keep them. You're running the SR20 engine, so they're completely different starter motor. Okay, so what we do is strip it out. Do you like? Do it your way. Do whatever you want to do, but mainly try to strip it out and see what inside, and give you some idea and basic how to recon if you want. This is called the solenoid. It's called the solenoid built-in, and it's try to contact the power, and then they kick the thing and kick the gear. See the gear jump up and rolling. That's it. That's how it is. Okay. Okay, we do it your way, whatever you want to do. Just try to see and what I look in here. Okay, no trouble. And this body, it go to the ground already for the car ground. It's already got the ground, so you don't worry. You just two wires. This one is just for the positive contact in, and you will see it jumping. And it kick this one on, and I will show you first before we strip it out. Okay. But in here, it kick the gear. That make the gear in here jump out and rolling on the motor. By the time they do that, they jump out and the motor start to spinning, and make the engine roll. Okay, we strip it out. And this wire is for the starting. It go into the relay where the relay kick in, and they contact the power, 12 volt powers. For example, this one go into earth. For example, this one go into earth. Okay. And you can see this one start to jump out. If I kick them on, and they're using the power, this one, put the flag one back, put that flags back to the wire, and this is for starting. Okay, I put into the positive 12 volt power. You will see how they jump out. You see this one still. There's nothing wrong with this one. Okay, it's fully reconditioning, and you see this one will jump out. Okay, it's work beautiful. So that's how basic about the starter motor. Okay, with nothing more to say. I know at the workshop, the reconditioning place, they got one of them for sure. So that's what I need to knock it out. I only can get two out. The other one I stop it up because I didn't knock it out from beginning, and I will go direct straight, and I damaged the top Phillips. Okay, I don't know how can I get it out now. Not the problem. It's holding the stator. So this one not using the brass. Where's the brass for this one? That's amazing. Must be in here for sure. Okay, we knock this one out. Where's the brushes? That's another thing I was concerned about. Why this one no brushes? Should be the brushes there somewhere. They must be using brass. The 12 volt. Okay, get this one out. Okay. Okay, they come in one chunk. So they push this one down this way. You see? They come in one chunk. And this is the motor. It's called the stator. And the process here, see? And I checking. They said this one reconditioning. And I see this one not using long. So they're not reconditioning nothing at all. The only recon they do is they just keep this one for they just replace this one for the new one. And I still have to get this out from the fork. It's got a little fork to push in and out. And this is the Japanese design. Okay, it's really good. So you can take off this pin here and take up, and it got 4 brushes. All the brushes is very rarely worn out because you can see This is an old process. All the wires are still old. All the wires old, right? All the wires old. See all wire mark here, and the process is on worn out, and even on the main shaft here is worn out. So they never replace the motor. That's how they call reconditioning. So we have to put up with it. Okay. So for like I said to you, the alternator, they only replace the regulator, and this one they only replace the solenoid. And this one 1,000 years later would never burn. 1,000 years later, this one go forever. Only if they want out the wear and tear out this one, but the process is old, but nothing wrong with this one. Normally they just put it back. Okay, they just put it back like that. Okay, and come out one chunk. See, throw the whole thing away. Just put the whole, just put it back like that for time being. And we may throw it out. Okay, come in one chunk like that. Okay, for the starter motor, it's got a little fork here. You can see. If I move that bolt and I take that up, and the fork in here will come up. It's like a fork for the clutch bearing. See the clutch bearing for the car, the clutch here. See the fork here. See this one is bring up and down. See that bring up and down little gear here. That little gear will touch onto the starter motor. And it's spinning, so it's nothing else. We have to undo them. It's spinning by the gear. It's like I had the drill, exactly like the drill in here. They're using the 3 gears on this side, and it's spinning the shaft, the shaft here spinning, and make it stronger on the side of the motor. Otherwise, if this one go direct, it couldn't turn. But they're using the gear to gear, and make the stronger torques. And it's slow, but it go fast. See, it's go slow, but it's strong. Not all about it's E. So when you take your alternator to your starter motor to your reconditioning, all they do is process, paint in different color, and you're seeing it brand new. But mostly they only replace this one. See, this is the brand banking new. Less headaches. What they do is just get this one, knock 3 of this bolt out, put a new one on, and then we got brand new starter motor, like reconditioning or second hand. So basically very easy, and nothing else they have to change. So but the problem is sometimes we have to get parts, man, the headache. So we better to the shop, get the one for exchange. Okay, this is the reconditioning one. It's out the Nissan N13, and I grabbed this one on the 27/11/23, 27/11/23, and we was get exchange. And we pay something $120 for a new one. We can't buy one because this car very old, and all they do, I open up now, you see, using this one, never changed, still using the old process, and this one's still old. Everything is old. They just send it back and paint in different color, and just the solenoid is the new one. This is most common and mostly faulty from here. Anyway, thanks for watching Simon Tools, and this is a little bit about tears out the starter motor. Hope you guys can understand, and this is the key for start the car is the starter motor.